Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to make a home automation system using my newly designed SMT based home automation PCB. In this home automation system, we are able to control our appliances through an Android app and also by manual switches. And best part of this project is, it doesn't require any Wi-Fi connectivity. We are going to use Bluetooth feature of ESP32, which allow us to directly connect to the smartphone. So let's make it.
This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. JLC PCB is a well-known PCB prototype company in China. It is specialized in quick PCB prototype and small batch production. You can now order a minimum of 5 PCBs for just $2. For more details, check description.
This is the schematic of today's home automation PCB. If you want, you can download this schematic from description to design your own custom PCB. Now convert this schematic into PCB. After completing the design of your PCB, you can directly order the PCB from JLC PCB or just download the Gerber file from here. After that, go to JLC PCB website, then click on Quote Now button under the SMT assembly. After that, upload the Gerber file of your PCB. After that, select the number of PCBs and color masking of PCB if you want. After that, select the SMT assembly service. And here you have to select on which surface you want your components to be soldered, either top surface or bottom. After that, click on the confirm button. Now here you have to upload 2 more files. One is the CPL, that is pick and place file, and another one is BOM, that is bill of material. You can download these files from your EasyEDA account. Just open that PCB project onto your EasyEDA account and then click on fabrication, then BOM. Now click on export. Now click on export BOM to download the BOM file. Similarly, download the CPL file. After downloading both the files, just upload both the files here onto this page. After that, select next. Now here it will show all the SMT components which are to be soldered, and also we can select which components will soldered or not. Select the component according to your preference. After that, click on next button. Then click save to cart to complete your order. After a week, my PCB arrived at my place in a new blue box of JLC PCB. Let me open the box. The packaging of PCB in bubble wrap is very good. Here it is our home automation PCB. The quality of PCB is good and the SMT components are soldered well. SMT assembly service of JLC PCB is great. After soldering rest of the components, PCB look like this, neat, clean and well arranged. To flash the code into ESP32 chip, I will use ESP32 development board. Now make the connections according to this schematic.
This is the code for our today's project. You don't need to make any changes in this code if you are using same PCB that I used in video. One thing, if you want, you can change here the name of Bluetooth device. You can give it any name you want, and rest of the code is okay. After selecting write board and COM port, hit upload button.
After clicking the upload button onto the PCB, I will press and hold the boot button and press the reset button once to make this module go inside the boot mode.
Download this APK file from the link given in the description and install in your phone.
Now open Bluetooth setting of your phone and pair your phone with ESP32. Just click pair. Now open app and click connect and tap on HABT ESP32. Here you can see Bluetooth is connected. Let me show you how it will work. Now connect all the bulb and switches according to this circuit diagram. Now everything is done. Let's see project in action.